Okay, so now our video is synced up. Everything looks like everything matches. The only thing we have to do now is we need to trim this video and trim the claps out so that it doesn't start there. So what we're going to do is move the video so that it's somewhere in between the last clap and the beginning of the song, which is that sound wave right there. So we're going to start it right here. We're going to select that part, and what I'm going to do is select the main clip, and you'll notice it brings up a menu on the bottom: actions, speed, volume, titles, and filters. I'm going to hit actions, and it's going to give me the option to split. So I'm going to split. Now that split that main recording. I'm going to split all the other groups right at that same spot. So here's my recording of the sound of the second clip, and then here's the top clip. Split it again, and now what you'll notice is we have a split copy where all of the claps and the preparation and all the dead space before the song is to the left of that split, and the song itself is to the right. So at this point, all we do is we select the secondary clips and hit delete. Select the main clip, hit delete, and now everything's lined up so that the beginning of the song is right at the beginning of the song. So here's what it sounds like. So we have none of the claps before, it just goes right into the song. What I'm going to want to do now is add a title to the front so that it kind of polishes up the video. And how we do that is by adding a background. So we're going to go to the plus at the top, and you'll notice that you get to this menu where you can add videos, moments, photos, whatever. Hit backgrounds. I'm going to select the black one just because it's easy and it shows up and it's very iTunes-y. So I'm going to hit black. Add the plus sign, and you'll notice that it adds a chunk of section to before the clip. It adds it before the clip, okay? And we can actually kind of select this and see if we can move this over a little bit so that it lines up exactly. There we go. So now we have this clip beforehand, and when we select that, our menu at the bottom, action, speed, volume, and then titles pops up. So now we hit titles, and it gives us all the style of titles that we'd want. I'm going to pick chromatic, and it gives you that text title or title text here up at the top. This is where you're going to write the name of the song. So you select it. You'll notice it says edit, delete. Hit edit, and at this point, I'm going to enter the title. So this was Home on the Range. Hit done, and now I've got my title added. The only other thing that we need to do at this point is just make sure the end of the song is exactly how we want the end of the song to be. So here's what the end looks like. Here's what the end clips look like. So I like that there's that little moment of just pause right here where the bow hangs in the air. So I'm going to trim this video back to my line so that it's about right there. So we have that moment of hang in the air, and then we're done. At this point, this is what the end of it looks like. And there it is, maybe a little bit longer, just to give it a little bit more of an effect. So back it up, check it again. And there you go. That's the whole clip. We've got a title and we finished it off. So that's how you, and now we're done with it.